Hi there, and welcome to EAD 536. I'm Dr. Shelley Arneson, and I am super excited to welcome you to this course. I know you are nearing the finish line, so I just wanted to take a couple of minutes to, first of all, introduce myself. My role as an educator now, I resigned from the principalship in uh, Florida about 10 years ago, and since then I've been an educational consultant. I go all over the world and work with schools and districts and universities to help prepare teachers and help prepare principals for the upcoming year or for new roles in that position. So this is a perfect adjunct position for me because I get to take what I learn from you all, and I get to take it out into the field, and then I get to take my field experience and my past principalship experience and bring it back to you. So it's a win-win for me. I hope it's a win-win for you. I just wanted to show you a couple of things this week. You have a couple of assignments. I hope you can see the clinical field experience about recruiting and interviewing. And by the way, I have a paper copy or hard copy of the book that we're using, the textbook, Breakthrough Principles. But this week, your reading is going to be in chapter 6. And each week I will ask you an additional question other than the regular DQs that you get your DQ, your 5 points each for. But I'll ask you an additional question for each DQ so that you can earn some substantive posts and points for participation. Just a reminder, I know you all probably all know this, but when I'm teaching 505, I typically need to remind people that you need to post on 3 separate days. No matter how many posts you write, you at least need to be engaged in the class on 3 separate days. But this chapter this week is chock full of some really great ideas. So I hope that you enjoy the chapter. I'll be asking you some questions about that throughout the week. And please don't hesitate to let me know if you have any questions. One thing I do want to let you know, I don't just use the rubric. I certainly use it to grade, and I encourage you to use it to use for headings and things like that, to put headings on your paper. But I will not be writing or typing information so much in the rubric area. I need to be over here in the rubric area in the grade book as much as I will on your particular paper. And then I will upload that as an attachment. So you won't go to where you submitted your paper. You'll go down to the bottom where I write, check the comments, look for the comments in here. You'll click on that little caret that says one file attached, and I will have uploaded your graded paper. Not the one you submitted up top, but the one that I have now graded and written comments all over. Even if you do A plus 100% work, I'm probably going to have written on your paper or typed on your paper. I hope that you all enjoy this course. It has some really great aspects to it, and I'm looking forward to working with you. Take care and let me know if you have any questions. Bye-bye.